Hello everybody, this is Tesla Mojo. Welcome to the channel, and this is a 2018 Model S 100D running FSD Beta 10.12.2. So starting out the video today in West Palm Beach, Florida, and we're gonna jump over to Palm Beach just a little bit. Hopefully we get some good views of the ocean, and hopefully it's a good ride. So we have 4 different destinations set. Just hopefully it's pretty quick. I know my last video was a little bit long. Wasn't expecting it to be quite that long, so hopefully this one's going to be a little bit shorter than 30 minutes. So you don't feel compelled to watch the whole thing. I do want to welcome all the new viewers and welcome all the existing viewers back, all my subscribers, everyone else who have watched my previous videos. Some of those that I talked to, thank you very much. You know, you guys really are the reason I do these videos. So here we're gonna go forward, go straight a little bit for about a mile, and then we're going to make a right to our first destination. Now I do want to remind everybody, if you're not familiar with FSD Beta, on the bottom right of your screen you'll see a blue steering wheel. That means FSD Beta is active. Now if it becomes inactive, if I disengage it, that steering wheel will turn gray and go up to the top of the screen. I'll also remind everybody that FSD Beta is not public release software. It is a beta. I am expected to be 100% in control of this car, and intervene if it does anything that I do not expect it to do, or that if it does something that could be deemed unsafe. So we're moving over to the right lane here because of our right turn coming up in a little bit less than a half a mile. We have temporary lines down. FSD Beta doing pretty good. I apologize if you could hear the AC running in the background, but it's plus 90 degrees here, Fahrenheit. So I'm not really looking forward to sitting in a fishbowl and just absolutely cooking. So I do have my AC turned on. So now we are stopped at this red light. We should be getting a green light here any second. Now if I do intervene, say push the accelerator pedal for any reason, I'll make sure to say that, just so you'll have an indication that I did that, because based on what you're watching, you don't really have that indication. So here we come. It looks like we're actually we are merging, so I might have to see what this car behind me. So it did let me over, so that's good. I'm gonna hit the accelerator because they are right behind me, and I don't want to get rear-ended, or I don't want to, make them upset. Sometimes FSD Beta does do things that could, there it goes, and I'm disengaging because it went off to the right for some unknown reason. So give it a second and re-engage. Sorry, but it swerved off to the left for some unknown reason. So something I wasn't expecting, so I definitely had to intervene. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit my trip now, because we should be coming up on my next destination. So we have a red light going through the outskirts of West Palm here. We got a green left. It's not unprotected because it doesn't look like there's anybody in front of me. Going a little bit slow, but I am not too worried about it. And actually, let me change, see, can I do this here? Yes, I can change that offset real quick. All right, so we're making sure to follow the speed limit. So normally I'll do a +10 on the offset, but when I'm doing these videos, normally they're in cities, and I don't really want to speed through these cities for safety's sake, but also, okay, we're creeping here and taking forever. Okay, for safety's sake, but also I can't say I'm quite as familiar with this area, so I'd rather not speed through it. Looks like it might be raining just a little bit. Interesting, but we're creeping through this stop sign. All right, could have done a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and report that one. I should have reported the one previous to, but I was just chit-chatting away with you guys. So we have our next stop sign here. We need to be taking a right turn because is it the next one? Nope, it is the next one. So we're creeping again, taking a little long, but generally safe. Maybe it was in the intersection just a little bit. So now we make that right turn that I'm expecting. And off we go. So don't really have any lane lines. There we go. Now we got lane lines, but FSD Beta doing pretty good off to the right. Hopefully, now we got the windshield wipers going. Hopefully the camera isn't getting too many drips on it, so it doesn't smudge up the view there. So we're moving my second destination here. So here we need to make. It is not sure which way. There we go. Now it's sure. Now we need to make. Okay, that would have stopped. FSD Beta would have stopped, but I was on it just a little bit quicker. So now we're completely in the wrong lane. I don't even know where I need to go, unfortunately. Ooh, FSD Beta. Let's see. Can I even engage it here? I can. And I'm only going to give it a couple seconds before. Nope, it's not going to do it. I'm not going to let it do it because it's closed. So we'll have a little detour here and see what. All right. So we're gonna go straight here for about a third of a mile, and then we're gonna make a left. So we're gonna go out to the Intercoastal, Flagler Drive, and then jump across the bridge. All right. So now decides it needs to clean the windshield. I am not sure why. The windshield's pretty clean actually. All right. I'm gonna go across the bridge to Palm Beach and go down Ocean Avenue, I believe, and then we'll be done with the video. So I wouldn't say it's Beta's doing great today, but once again, I am in complete control of the vehicle. I know, I reasonably expect what it should and shouldn't do. So when it does something completely unexpected, I immediately take over. So be making sure and keep an eye out that it doesn't go say the wrong way down a one-way street, which unfortunately we've seen some allow Beta to do. So here we go. We got our left turn, unprotected. Do have a car coming, but it's far enough away, and Beta doing a great job there. Alright, got a car that's backing up. Looks like they're holding, so no big deal. Going through, and now we'll be needing to make a right turn on the Flagler here. Once we make that right turn, I'll remove the destination that it's currently set to, so we can route over to Palm Beach. You can see there's you can see the water, it's nice and beautiful and blue. So now we do have a car behind us. Don't really like to be honked at, but we're gonna go ahead and Beta is peaking. We do have a car. The car's coming through on the left. Beta is peeking some more. I don't see anybody, so Beta, you can go. All right, so let's. Oh, we got somebody on the right there that are stopping. Go ahead and edit my trip. There we go. And go across the bridge. Changing lanes off to the left, a little jerky, but not a big deal. I'm not too worried about that. The steering can be a little jerky sometimes on Beta, but as long as it doesn't move like 30-40 degrees in half a second, which it can do sometimes, not too inclined. It's more about, okay, nope, I don't know what you're doing. We do need to make a left. And then back into the left turn lane. Okay, whatever. We got ourselves a green arrow, and let's go across. So we should have some cars on the right. I do have a yield, but we're moving in quite nicely. Hopefully I don't get honked at. Nope. Oh, got a Rivian coming up on my left. Rivian number 2. Actually, that's very funny. 2 FSD Beta drives, 2 Rivian R1Ts. Slowing down a little bit much there, but we got a red light coming up, so I am not worried about that. We should be making a right in about 0.2 of a mile, right there on the ocean. Kind of see the nice blue skies ahead. All right, going through the green light. So if you're following my Twitter, so you can follow me at Tesla Mojo, although I haven't announced it there yet. Announced it on my other Twitter, Chokmoo, CHOKMOO. Follow me on Tesla Mojo, please. You know, not a lot of followers on that account, so I'd really like to keep that one going for the channel. All right, let's move over to the right lane. But what I have announced on my Chokmoo account is that I was selected for the 2022 Tesla shareholder meeting in Austin on August 4th. So I'm really excited for that. Hopefully I can bring some great footage of that. Maybe some tours and stuff. Okay, we're stopping, but no big deal. Maybe we'll get a tour, but I'll try to take as much footage as I can and bring some of that to those that didn't get selected. So we're moving over because that car had their door open. I'm not sure if you can see the ocean there on the left, but nice in blue. And I'll go ahead and delete the final destination, and we'll just stay on this road for a little bit. So if anything happens, I'll make sure to slow it down so you can watch, and I'll talk over it. But if nothing happens, we'll just go ahead and fast forward through this. Slamming on the brakes. I do have someone behind me now, so I'm gonna hit the accelerator, intervene there, just a bit. Probably was being careful that those pedestrians on the right weren't going to cross the road, so I'd rather it be a little cautious there than go full steam ahead and possibly cause a safety issue. Taking that turn pretty good. Almost looked like it went over the yellow line, but it did not. Slowing down a little bit here. I'm gonna have to intervene again because I got someone behind me, and Beta is just slowing down for no reason. But as we travel over the bridge here back to West Palm Beach from Palm Beach, I just want to say thank you to all those that watch my videos. Please like it, please subscribe, so when I do go out to the shareholders meeting, you can get that content right away. You can go ahead and watch those videos. I'll try to get it out as soon as possible. But thank you again. Really, you can be anywhere on the internet right now, but you decided to spend a little bit of time with me and FSD Beta. So this is Tesla Mojo signing off.
Mm-hmm.